Okay, so I am making some shrimp scampi. Yeah, yes. The noodles, the butter, the shrimp, Parmesan cheese. Did I say butter? Some seasoning like Old Bay, black pepper. I put a couple of different seasons in there. Then I'm mixing up the this is the red lobster biscuit. They come in a box. So I'm about to put these in on the pan. The box says to add cheddar cheese, butter, a dab of water, cheddar cheese, and then a little pack of seasoning. So I'm about to put these in the oven. Yeah, it's so good. Oh my gosh. This shrimp scampi, baby. Just the noodles by itself. This is so good. Oh my goodness. I did that. Wait till my husband taste this. Y'all. This is so good. And it don't take long to make it. Okay. I had to let y'all know that it's delicious. Delicioso.